The last 2 weeks in Grand Rapids, Michigan have been dominated by Art Prize 8, a self-described radically open art contest where businesses and organizations throughout downtown cooperate to display original art from area artists. This is considered to be the largest attended art event in the entire world. For me, being the tree-hugging dirt worshiper that I am, I'm very interested in the ways that art represents nature. Joan Webster Voor's installment represents the 3 to 5 billion passenger pigeons that went extinct by the turn of the 19th century from overhunting and deforestation. Charles Yoder's Foreplay explores the four seasons on a 4-foot by 24-foot canvas. Really striking photography. Talks about the Lakota. Casey Dixon and Gene Fowkes' $10,000 invasive species suffered vandalism during the event. Joseph Krajkiewicz's Orange October got me in the mood for deer hunting season. One definition of art talks about how the aesthetic evokes emotion in the person who appreciates it. And this made me think about why it was I appreciated some of the pieces that I did. So again, we're looking around Art Prize in Grand Rapids, and I found this picture over my shoulder really striking. Jian Hong's corrected memory of a city. I really love. The holes punched through the canvas in these drawings represented for me what we sacrifice when we build a city. I like this piece by Megan Geetson, The Death of an Ecosystem. Just recently, a second clear and salient study has reported that we have passed the point of climatological no return, which makes the next even more interesting. I find this one fascinating by Falana Brown, Mixed Media, all these plants growing, that considers our ability to grow plants in the next place we inhabit.